Sunday, November 21st, 2021. Welcome to the Capital Allocation channel. Today I want to give you a quick privacy coin update, and at the end of the video I will discuss a bonus meme coin on my watch list. If you appreciate this content, please give a like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Let's get right to it. Alright, so starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting here just above 58,000. We've got a little bit of negative pressure in the recent weeks. We have a crossover of the MACD indicating short-term downward pressure, and I like to confirm that using the Ichimoku cloud. So if you don't understand this trading system, you can watch a previous video of mine where I explain that in detail. But essentially, when you have the price breaking down below this conversion line and baseline, and when it gets into this cloud, this is an area of indecision here, where buyers and sellers are essentially fighting it out to determine a direction. It looks like we could be forming a twist here where we have the beginning of the formation of a red cloud, which is a medium to longer term bearish signal. So in the meanwhile, in the short to medium term, this looks like there could be more downward pressure, but if you look at the fundamentals, there are spending bills, the infrastructure bill being passed, and even a social credit and climate change bill being discussed, valued at over $2 trillion. And this is not going to stop anytime in the near future. In fact, it's likely going to increase. So longer term, I think there's no doubt these things are going way, way up. But in the shorter to medium term, there should still be some downward pressure here. So I like to look at the crypto market also in the context of gold. So gold, well, Bitcoin has been decreasing. Gold has actually had a breakout of a major triangle pattern. On the shorter term, we have this crossover of the MACD, but the longer to medium term, based on this Ichimoku cloud system, we have the beginning of a formation of a green candle. The price here is above both the baseline and conversion line, and even the lagging strand is here above all of these indicators. So this is a longer term confirmation that we could be seeing higher prices in gold, although we know the major banks are manipulating this price and trying to keep it low. So gold is definitely something to watch at this point and try to see, is money flowing more into the crypto markets, or are people going back to gold and putting some of that capital into gold? So looking at Monero, so Monero had a breakdown around this $2.50 area. We've got a sell on the technical indicator, and I tend to agree with that. We do appear to be forming a red cloud here, and these clouds are considered areas of resistance, and so we could be rejected off this cloud, potentially going lower. So for Pirate Chain has not been doing much lately. It's incredible. It's been holding though, so it's a decent promising signal that this thing has actually been able to hold. And it's really hard to say. We do appear to be bottoming here, and we've broken up out of this trend line here. So we'll just have to wait and see with this one, see if we get some volume coming in. There is on the Pirate Chain channel an interesting interview with Larken. I can put that in the description below. And I think there's a lot of interest in Pirate Chain. So long term, I think this will recover, but we'll just have to wait for a clear confirmation of a reversal here. So for Dero, we do appear to be getting a twist here. It's really hard to say. This thing is really just chopping around. We've got a crossover on the MACD. So we will have to see. This thing, it's really just in this area here. So again, this cloud could act as a support. And this one's really difficult to say because we are still in an uptrend, but we've got somewhat of a double top here forming, and we've got this bearish twist, as well as the convergence on the MACD. So we're getting conflicting signals here. It's really difficult to say, and I think it's going to depend on sentiment in the market and yeah, just overall market dynamics at the moment. So Haven is still showing a buy on the technical indicator. I'm not sure I agree with that. This thing's really pulled back and it failed an attempt to break upwards, and here we've got the baseline and the conversion line, which could act as resistance here. So we'll have to see. This would have to really break down below 1150 for complete confirmation here. But due to this failure, I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing going lower. So I've got a bonus for you guys. It's just a meme coin, Dojilon Mars. This thing could go either way. Again, these things are just based on trading psychology. There's no fundamentals to this whatsoever. It's just a meme coin, completely useless. I mean, there's nothing to this thing. But we are forming a pennant pattern here, and we've failed to break below this trend line. So if this thing holds, and if these chat rooms, get people to pile in, it's something to watch, something to consider. I have no idea what's going to happen here. I just think it's kind of a funny meme. So thank you all for watching. Just wanted to give you all a quick update. If you're still watching at this point, I hope I provided some value to you. Consider giving a like, consider subscribing. All of that, I really appreciate it. So thank you all for watching. Take care, everyone. I hope everyone's having a great weekend, and I will see you in the next one.